Working on a 31-year-old car, let's just say, it's like being in an operating room. But some cars deserve a second chance. Welcome to my resuscitation of the 31-year-old BMW 325i.
Like you said, Feldman, everyone deserves a second chance.
There was no way we would be going with the huge and heavy 335 engine that this car came with in favor of the awesome sounding M20B25 that these cars originally came with. And so we decided to restore the engine bay to its original laser blue. Enough with the engine talk, here's how we got it done. First, we made sure to strip each and every bolt and nut to either get cleaned or replaced. With the engine compartment empty, it was now time to sand down the entire bay, including everything that would be painted. During this process, some light surface rust was unearthed in the firewall area, which is common with these cars, but the rust did not stand a chance against a wire brush and good old sandpaper. Once that was done, we had to call in the fire department with a hose to water down the entire bay. Primer was then applied and was left to dry before scuffing with sandpaper before top coating. After prepping was done, it was now time to spray.
Are in the engine bay, as you can see, sorting out the smaller stuff. Ritesh is making me work today, so thank you, Ritesh. He's starting me out. So I guess in the future I'll know what's happening.
De-rusted, primed, protected and painted with black paint. Gloss black. Power steering has been chemically cleaned and all the grease has been taken off and not painted. It's got the original look. The black pulley still got to be painted. Okay, the top shock mounts, the shocks have been painted. There's one left to be done. Control arms, clean, prepped. New lollipops, ball joints put in. So once the final assembly is done, you'll see everything come together.
Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I'm enjoying working on this car. To follow the journey of the E30 build, subscribe to the channel and like this video. See you in the next one.